Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on halves in real life. There are numerous examples in real life where the fraction of 1/2 exists. The above are two dominoes and we have half of the numbers on each end. So altogether we have two dots on this domino, one dot this side and one dot that side. So half of the numbers on this side, half of the numbers on that side. This domino has 12 dots, 6 on this side and 6 on this side, half of the numbers on this side and half of the numbers on that side. Example 2. Sometimes we cut a tomato in half because we don't want to eat a full one. Example 3. Sometimes the beautiful things in nature are so symmetrical that a line drawn through the middle gives us two halves. Number 4. If two people share a house together, each of them will normally pay half of the rent, unless there are special arrangements in place. Example 5. Sometimes stores will offer 50% off certain clothes when there is a change of season. For example, at the end of winter, bargains can be obtained because stores need to stock up with items that are more suitable for the warmer weather. Example 6. When people buy a sandwich for lunch, it is usually cut into two halves because it is more convenient to eat it that way. If two children benefit from an inheritance, they normally each get half of the estate, unless there are special clauses in the will which direct otherwise. Number 8. A large bed can be bought so that it is divided into two separate halves. This contributes to the sleeping comfort of each person. So this video has just looked at different examples in real life, and we've seen where halves occur. And these are just a few examples, but there are hundreds of them, and I'm sure you can think of others.